Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a comparison video, and I have not done one of these in so long, but my other one blew up. So on this eye over here I used the James Charles palette, which is a Morphe palette, as you guys know, and over here I used the 35B palette, which is also a Morphe palette. So stay tuned to see how I achieve these looks. So starting with my right eye, I'm going to use my 35B palette, and I'm going to start with priming my eyelids with some concealer. This is the LA Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige. The 35B palette doesn't have names, but the first color I'm going to use is this one right here. Okay, so next I'm going to pick up the hot pink and use that color to blend this out. One thing I will say about the pinks from any Morphe palette, they always stain my eyelids. Now I'm going to dip into the orange shade and blend out the pink. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab the yellow shade. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. I'm going to go back to the burgundy. Okay, so now I'm going to take just a little bit of the pink. I just noticed that this palette doesn't have like a white shimmery color, but I'm going to mix this one and the white and see what I get. But before I do that, I'm just going to apply some more concealer so we can kind of get rid of the pink tint. So I'm just going to apply some mascara and some lashes, and then I'll be back to complete the waterline. I'm just going to take some blue eyeliner from NYX and line my bottom waterline. Okay, so now, I just dug my nail into, okay, great. Now I'm just going to go back into this burgundy shade. I'm going to use a small pencil brush and just smoke that out. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm just going to take this shimmery white from the Princessa Azteca palette, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner and underneath my eyebrow. Alright, so that's the 35B palette side. I'm going to repeat the exact same steps on this eye, except for I'm using the James Charles palette. Okay, so the first color I'm going to pick up is this dark purple. Well, you know what, this one, sorry. The first color I'm going to grab is this color right here, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Basically repeat the same process as I did on this eye on this one. I'm just gonna grab the pink. Okay, y'all, so I'm really waiting for my skin to clear up because I've been wearing makeup so much. Okay, so this pink is way more pigmented and I love it. So this orange is a bit lighter. On the same brush, I'm gonna use this yellow shade, and this one is called B. That's like the only one I remember. Okay, because this yellow is way better too. I like this yellow. I definitely think this one is worth the $40. So I'm gonna go back into a little bit, some more pink. And this is the brush I use for this eye at first, but I'm gonna just use it to blend everything together. And I didn't dip into any more products. I personally like this eye better, but I think it was because of the orange. Like when I put the bright orange on, it kind of brought out some of the previous colors. And you guys saw the orange that I used over here, it was a little bit darker, so. So I'm going back into the same color I used first, like I did on the other eye. And I'm gonna blend this out. Like this video is taking forever. This one I'll do both my eyes on camera. You might want to take your finger and kind of tap this out first. Now I want to take the shade Ring Light. I remember this one because I need a ring light. So now it's time to trace my crease. I feel like when I try to do mine underneath my eyes, they don't ever show up. Everybody else would be so pretty. Alright, you guys, so this is the James Charles side, and this is the 35B. Oh my gosh, why I look asleep? Alright, so this is the James Charles side, and this is the 35B side. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. I just really want to compare because they're both by the same brand, and yeah, so I kind of like this side better, but I feel like I just did a better job on this side. So let me know what you guys think down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.